Got an old towel? Reuse it like this. The toilet bowl will be super clean afterwards. Did you know that toothpaste is an excellent ally for cleaning chores? Try it on chrome. It will make it shine again. On your artificial plants, you can use a lubricant spray. Wipe gently using a microfiber cloth. They will be dust-free and very shiny. The secret ingredient for cleaning the espresso maker is citric acid. 100% natural and an effective limescale remover. To keep the car smelling fresh, a few drops of fabric softener is all you need. Wipe it over all the surfaces to leave a fresh, pleasant scent. And to clean the mirrors, use Rinse Aid. Also useful for cleaning the headlights. To keep the toilet fresh and clean, you don't need expensive products. A little toothpaste is enough to perfume the surroundings with every flush. What a pain! This simple tip will save you elbow grease. Ingenious! Chewing gum? Have no fear. A little spray lubricant and it will come off easily. For pristine mirrors, use talcum powder. Remove stains and streaks.